So welcome to mathematics class. Last period I solved question number 27 and 29. So now I will start question number 30. Using the measurements given in the figure alongside. First I will draw the figure. Question number 30. Again first you have to convert the given figure in right angle triangle. A is here, acute angle. Next B, C and D. So right angle at C and right angle at B. So angle A considered as a theta. Yes. Now some measures, that is BC is equal to 12 centimeters. Next AB is equal to 14 centimeters. AB 14. I will write one by one here. So AB is equal to 14 centimeters. BC is equal to 12 centimeters. And BD, draw diagonal as BD, that is 13 centimeter. As BD is equal to 13 centimeter. So these are the given measures. So find the value of sin phi. Yes, and one more very important, angle B, what I am marking now. So this one again considered as acute angle, denoted by one more symbol, that is phi. Yes, the question is find the questions. First one, sin phi, not a theta. And the second question is tan phi. The second question, tan phi. And hint also they given. Write an expression for AD in terms of theta. Right. This is the find question number A. This one. Sin phi and tan phi. Write an expression for AD in terms of theta. S. So here to find the value of sin phi and tan phi. So first we have to draw simple construction. As the complete figure in the form of right angle triangle as construction. Write down construction as draw DE perpendicular to AB. Draw DE perpendicular to AB. So AED is right angle triangle and BCD is also right angle triangle. So if you know this one, by using BD and BC apply Pythagoras theorem. First for the triangle BCD, let's write down in triangle BCD, let's apply Pythagoras theorem, as BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. As therefore CD square is equal to BD square minus BC square. Therefore CD square is equal to BD square, 13 square minus 12 square. Therefore CD square is equal to 169 minus 144. Therefore the value of CD square is equal to 25. Therefore CD is equal to under the root 25. So the value of CD is equal to 5 centimeter. If CD is equal to 5 centimeter, what about BE is also 5? Why? Because BCD is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. and even DE is also equal to 12 centimeter, because DE is equal to BC. Let's write down in rectangle. In rectangle, BCDE, BCDE, comma, as CD is equal to BE is equal to 5 centimeter, and BC is equal to DE is equal to 12 centimeter. Reason: opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Okay. Yes. What about A? Yes. In the figure, comma, AE is equal to AB minus BE. AB minus BE. Therefore, AE is equal to, what is the value of AB? That is 14. Minus, what is the value of B? Just now we got, that is 5. Therefore, the value of A is equal to 9 centimeter. Yes, 9 centimeter. Next, once again, now this time in right angle triangle, yes, right angle triangle, this time you consider right angle triangle AED. AED. As hypotenuse AD square. As AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Therefore, AD square is equal to, what is the value of AE? 9 square plus what is the value of DE? 12 square. So therefore, AD square is equal to 81 plus 144. Therefore, the value of AD square is equal to sum of these two, 225. Therefore, the value of AD under the root 225, its value is 15 centimeter. As 15 centimeter. As now you consider one by one first. Sine phi. This first one, sine phi. We got all the measurements now. As find one by one. Sine phi. Sine phi. Consider right angle triangle AED. Yes, phi. Sine phi means consider right angle triangle BCD, not AED. So BCD. Phi means, yes, this is opposite. Correct? Yes, CD by hypotenuse BD. Yes, that is 5 divided by 13. The first answer is 5 by 13. Next, second one, not tan phi, tan theta. Yes, tan theta this is. So second one, tan theta, theta not phi, tan theta. First to right ratio, opposite divided by base. Theta means consider right angle triangle AED, which is opposite DE. So this is equal to DE is the opposite. Base, that is AE. That's what is the value of DE. DE value 12. That's what is the value of AE. That's AE value. So just now we got the value of AE is equal to 9. So 12 by 9, that's 4 divided by 3. Yes. Let's see next question B. Second question. 30th second row. Write an expression for AD in terms of theta. In triangle AED. In triangle AED, comma, S sin theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So sin theta as it is, what is the value of opposite? That is DE by hypotenuse AD, which implies sin theta is equal to DE value that is 12. AD as it is, don't replace AD value because we are going to write AD in terms of theta. Therefore, as AD is equal to 12 divided by sine theta. This is one option. Or another option, right now in terms of cos now. Cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. So cos theta as it is. So this time base, that is 9 base, right? No problem. AE by hypotenuse AD. Therefore, cos theta is equal to the value of AE 9 divided by AD. Therefore, AD is equal to 9 divided by cos theta. Yes, both answers are correct. Okay, is it clear now? Consider right angle triangle AD, write sin theta and cos theta and replace the value. Now AD in terms of theta, that is 12 by sin theta or 12 by sin theta, one answer, and another one AD is equal to 9 by cos theta. Okay, right. Let's see next question. Question number 31. Prove the following. Prove the following. Question number 1. So there are three expressions are there. Yes, first one, directly I will write LHS part. By taking LHS part, prove RHS. Answer. Sin A plus cos A, sin A plus cos A whole square plus sin A minus cos A whole square. Sin A plus cos A whole square plus sin A minus cos A whole square. We have to show this value is equal to 2. Yes, very simple. This is equal to expand by using A plus B whole square. A square, that is sin square A plus B square, that is cos square A plus 2AB. 2 into sin A into cos A. Similarly, expand by using A minus B whole square plus sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A cos A plus 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin A gets cancels. So sin square A plus cos square A, the value of this one is equal to 1. Similarly, as sin square A plus cos square A, the value of this one is also equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So this is equal to RHS answer. Okay, let's see second one. Second question, cot square A divided by LHS. Cot square A minus 1 divided by sin square A. Cot square A minus 1 divided by sin square A plus 1. We have to show this value is equal to 0. We have to show this value is equal to 0. Yes, again this is also simple. Cot square A can be written as, by using quotient relations, cos square A divided by sin square A minus 1 divided by sin square A as it is plus 1. Very important, keep as it is, don't disturb. We have to show this value is equal to 0. Take LCM as sin square A is the LCM. As what we will get here, cos square A minus 1 plus 1, keep as it is. Again we have identity. What is the identity here? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Here what we need, cos square A minus 1. So cos square A as it is, 1 you take here, minus 1. So this one you send that side, it will become minus, very important, that is minus sin square A. So this is very important. Now, yes, which implies, I will replace cos square A minus 1, that is minus sin square A, minus sin square A divided by sine square a plus 1 gets cancels. So this implies, so minus 1 plus 1, so this is equal to 0. So this is the RHS answer. Okay, next let's see question number 3. Very simple expressions. Just by using basic concepts what we have learned since from 6-7 periods. Okay, that's question number 3 now. LHS, same question 31. Yes, LHS 1 divided by 1 plus tan square a, 1 divided by 1 plus tan square a plus 1 divided by 1 minus cot square a. 1 divided by 1 plus tan square a plus 1 divided by 1 minus cot square a. We have to show this value is equal to 1. That's again very simple. That's which implies 1 divided by 1 plus tan square a can be written as sine square a divided by cos square a plus 1 divided by 1 minus cos square a can be written as cos square a divided by sine square a. Next, which implies as 1 divided by, take LCM, cos square a plus sine square a as LCM, that is cos square a. Cos square a is the LCM, so here denominator 1, so cos square a into 1, cos square a plus sine square a plus 1 divided by, as what is the LCM here? Sine square a is the LCM. That's what we get numerator terms, that is s. 1 divided by 1 plus s, here plus, here plus. Next, what we get here? Sine square a plus cos square a. If it is plus only, then you will get this answer, otherwise it's not possible. Next, shift cos square a, so that is cos square a divided by sine square a plus cos square a plus, again it will goes to numerator, that is sine square a divided by sine square a plus cos square a. Once again take LCM, I will write here, that's what is the LCM, as sine square a plus cos square a. As again what will get? Cos square a plus sine square a. There's no need to write 1 directly. These two terms gets cancels. The final answer is 1. So this is the RHS answer. Okay na? So this is plus 1 plus cos square a. Yes. Let's see question number 32. Simplify. Question number 32. Simplify. Yes, this question is very simple. Root of 1 minus sine square theta, 1 minus sine square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta divided by 1 plus cos square theta. That's very simple. As we know that, what is the identity? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So which implies 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sine square theta. As a replace, which implies root of 1 minus sine square theta can be written as cos square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sine square theta. So this is equal to root of cos square theta, that is only cos theta, divided by root of sine square theta, that is only sine theta. cos theta by sin theta can be written as cot theta. What is the answer? Cot theta is the answer. Okay. Next, let's see question number 33. Question number 33. Yes. If sin theta plus if sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2. Sin theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 2. Find sin square theta plus cosecant square theta. Yes. Which implies, how will you get square? Making square. Yes, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Yes. Which implies sin theta plus cosec theta whole square. Don't write a sin square theta plus cosecant theta. Complete square because this is binomial. Make it square completely. So RHS also 2 square. Now expand by using a plus b whole square. That's a square sin square theta plus b square cosecant square theta. Just you observe here, you got this term. That's plus 2ab 2 into sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 2 square 4. Thus this implies, don't disturb this term, sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta. Cosecant theta can be written as 1 divided by sin theta is equal to 4. Thus these two gets cancels. Therefore, last step, sin square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to 4. 2 you send that side, minus 2. Therefore, the value of sin square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. The value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 2. Let's see last question. This exercise, even this lesson also, last question in this lesson. 34. If x is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta, x is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta, y is equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta. Let's prove that x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. That's very simple. So consider LHS. X square means you have to make it square completely. Similarly y square also. Then you should add, you get RHS, that is a square plus b square. This implies as squaring as x square is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta complete square. Therefore, x square is equal to a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta into sin theta. Okay na? Next, similarly here also as squaring as y square is equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. And therefore, y square is equal to, expand this, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. Thus this one call it as 1. So this one call it as 2. X square plus y square means adding 1 and 2. As LHS part implies x square plus y square is equal to a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta sin theta plus next y square value a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Yes, any cancellation? 2ab cos theta sin theta minus 2ab cos theta sin theta gets cancelled. Therefore, x square plus y square. That's a square cos square theta, a square sin square theta. So, a square is common, remaining cos square theta plus sin square theta. Next, that's b square sin square theta, b square cos square theta plus b square is common, remaining sin square theta plus cos square theta. Yes, therefore, as last step, x square plus y square is equal to a square. The value of this one, 1, because identity, plus b square. Even this one is also 1. And therefore, the value of x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Hence, the proof. Yes, this is very important lesson point of your this year, even next year also. Okay, one of the very important lesson completed. So next period I will start again trigonometry chapter number 18.